All right, Bistro Buddy fans. Yup, that's right. We did it. This is the big news. Bistro Buddy is going on tour. We are able to now take our travels wherever we are going. We're going to find food in fairs and festivals and breweries and vineyards all over the place. We're going to bring you food and expand this network as big as can possibly be. And we're here to show you what we've got. So welcome aboard. This is a new ride, new RV that's going to be converted. Yes, it is.